Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Jabra Elite Active 4 with your phone and what is the whole process. So the first thing that I recommend to do is to download the app called Jabra Sound Plus. You're going to find it right in Google Play, and that's something I recommend to do. Now to pair the phone, the Jabra Elite Active 4, so what you want to do is when you're going to take them out, you want to connect. But if you won't be able to connect them, you want to hold it for like 3 seconds until the beeping going to start on the Jabra Elite 4 active. So this is important, right? And now it's done. Okay. Connect unsuccessful. Okay. And here we are. So we can have like active noise cancellation. So you're going to have voice assistant, Spotify tab, and it's working really well. So this is how you can connect them to your phone. And I'd highly recommend using the Sound Plus app. Then you can have also a quick start guide to explore how it works, the features and everything. But that's pretty much it how you're going to do it. So if you won't be able to connect them, you can also hard reset them by just pressing the both buttons when they're going to be in the earbuds. Or if you want to pair them, just press it for a while and it should start working, the blinking. So this is something that you can try. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.